Well, good morning. It's kind of a rainy day. We're gonna head out. We got some errands to run in town. But we can't forget the farm before we leave. Because I could hear him from in the house saying, "Let me out, it's morning." I don't know why anybody would want to be out in the rain, but the ducks are going to be in their absolute glory. Oh, more water. I hear you, girl. Where's the whipping there? There you go. Come on. I got some treats for you today. Last night we did a video, which we'll upload later, on all the garlic that we grow. So we got a lot of, watch out! What's done with that, girls? Here, I'll tell you some. Yeah. Well, enjoy your feast today. Now we'll go up and let the rest of the herd out. Oh, they're happy. Yum yums. Yeah, I hear you. Oh, you're... Your little lamp fell. Good morning. I got some goodies. Come on, duck, ducks. Come on, duck, ducks. There you go. Hey, girls. Oh, you don't want to be out in the rain today? Okay, off to the chickens we go. Last ones. Oh, days like today, wish we didn't have clay soil, because it can be just such a mess. Good morning. Hey, look what I got. Come on out. I got yum yums. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Yum yums. Come on, pretty girls. Yeah, I know it's raining. None of us like it when it's raining. Come on, pretty girls. Come on, pretty girls.
See, your sister's telling you all about this. Well. They're looking like, oh, it's raining? Do I really want to come out? I think I'm going back in. Oh, they cracked me up.
Alright, well that's it for the farm chores this morning. As I said, I got some errands to run, so we'll catch up with you later.